So what's up guys, so in this video I'm going to show you 3 websites to make $100 per day. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan and my goal is you to have an online income and eventually a full-time income and quit your job. So before I begin this video, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and I also tell people how to create an online business, and as you could see, so please consider subscribing. So now let's get back to the video. So the first one I would say is Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer. So let's go to the website for Fiverr. So currently right now I'm on the Fiverr website, and so basically these are services where you can, let's say if you know how to do content writing, so you could say content writing. So as you could see, so basically right now it's dirhams, but then you can get $10, $20 for just a small job. Let's say you can create websites, so you can write create website. So it depends. So you can get $10, $20, $50. If it's an e-commerce website, you can get a lot more as well. So if you look at my playlist, I've created a video on how to make money online. So I have 7 videos coming up right now. So how you can transcribe a video, how to create an e-commerce website, there are a lot more things coming up. So you could check out that playlist. So it's very easy, and even Upwork. Okay, so if you know how to create a website, if you know how to create a logo, if you know how graphic designing is, so these are the website which Upwork is one of the website where let's say everything's there, writing, design. So let's say you know how to design, even admin work you can do. So $44 per hour. So let's say admin support, you have some, data entry, someone needs you to upload products on their website. So as you could see over here, a lot of people are the e-commerce virtue, digital marketer. There are a lot of people. So once you build up your reputation over there, you could charge $65 per hour, and imagine just working for 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, you can start making money. Now second on the list is, so it's YouTube videos. So what do you mean by YouTube videos? So basically what people do is, if I say best laptop, so which means in this video you're going to learn, so just close this. So if I say best laptops of 2019, so as you could see, he has given all the links. So if I open it, this is an affiliate link, as you could see. Okay, so if someone buys this laptop, he might get a 5-10% commission or a 20%. Maximum Amazon is 5%. So you could sell anything online, create a YouTube video, just explain them what are the benefits, and start selling it. So it's a very smart way. For example, if I would suggest the top 3 best web hosting, so I would list down all the 3 web hosts. So at least from that, one of the hosting someone would buy. So it's a smart way of selling things. So imagine he has list all the laptops over there. Obviously if I'm looking to buy laptops, I would buy either of the one, and if I buy either of the one, he would get 5% commission. So let's say this is for $800, okay, into 0.05. okay, so at least I'll get $40. So imagine people 4,000. So these are the views. Okay, so let's say for example, if these are the views into 0.01% conversion, so imagine 4,253 people would buy it, and let's say for example $40. So imagine he's getting $170,000. okay, at least people are buying it, he would get this much amount of money. That's a lot. Okay, so that's how you could do the comparison videos. But in the beginning, obviously he's doing videos for a really long time, he has built up his brand, he has a lot of followers, but you could start slow, steady, and start making more money, start doing reviews of anything in your niche. Let's say if you really like, so there are a lot of reviews like toy reviews, gadget reviews. So you could see people are having 24 million, imagine 24, 1.6, 67 million. So a lot of views that people are getting, and people are buying things up. So that's the second one, and let's go to the third one right now on the list. So the third one right now is writing content. So it will include in this, so there are a lot of websites where you can write a blog post. And I knew a few of my friends where they got contracts of writing 50 blog posts, 10 blog posts, or even if you go to Fiverr, Upwork, Freelance. So there are a lot of websites as well where if you know how to write really well, they give you a lot of money, especially all these news websites, magazines, editor magazines. There are a lot of websites, so just you have to write, I write content. Okay, if you just write that, so see, you have a freelancer and then iWriter, so you could write content and they could buy it. And on last on the list comes is ClickBank. So basically ClickBank is again affiliate sales. I don't want to go much into it. Basically it's you're selling online products to someone else and you get a small commission out of it. So let's say you want to sell, let's say, health and fitness. So if you're into health and fitness, you could sell these things, you know, keto diet, power of hormones, or let's say if you are into some other things, natural greens, so you can sell this thing. And so it's $49 and you would get a small commission out of it, 10-20% commission, which adds up a lot if you sell a lot. So these are the four, I think so, 3 ways, and in fact I added one more. So 4 ways on how you could get $100 per day. And if you want to learn more, I'm creating a new videos on how to make money online, where I exactly tell you that, you know, how you could do things, how you could, you know, transcribe a video to text, or how you could create a logo for free, or how you could create a website. So the link would be down below, or just come on playlist and you would find those videos. And I hope you really like the video, and if you do like the video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Yaur Khan signing off.